So yep, hi all. Here's the version 4 Nike Mag replicas. So I'm just going to show you the auto lace mechanism. So specifically, it's operated by one button here, so an on and an off. So you press it once, press it again, stop it again. And that's how it works. So it's actually operated by a sensor in there. So just there, you have a sensor, and in that particular white lace, you have metal pieces. So what happens is basically when it gets towards the sensor, it stops it from tightening up too much or completely and utterly unraveling, because the laces themselves, are only held in place by these cogs. So once they get past the cogs, obviously they can be pulled out. So that's what the sensor's for, which connects into, I've marked with a green here, so this particular block here. And actually it is pushing together. But yeah, that's how it works. So you can get in there quickly. And there we go. And obviously got the 3.7 volt LiPo battery, various connectors, little motor here and a gearbox, which I'm going to show you just underneath here. All metal, of course. Yeah, so that's the mechanism. All ran off, say, one button. Cool. And there we go. And that's the lights. Obviously, this is a fault issue, but this video here is purely to show you the mechanism, which is all the parts. And so there's the electronics, the charge circuit, the ECU, the main motherboard, whatever you want to call it, is there. Cool, excellent. And there you go. Hope that's some use to everyone. Cool. And say I do need to reset this lace. By the way, this lace here should be a little bit lower, but I just need to reset the mechanism later. But at least you can see, just how it works. That's the whole point.